Good evening, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. This side with Kaushik, and I'm working as a legal intern in Lexis and Company. Today, we are going to discuss that what is transfer petition and what are the powers given to Supreme Court to transfer the petitions or cases to subordinate or district courts or to the High Court. So, it is given in the section 25 of the Code of Civil Procedure, that is CPC. The Supreme Court has the power to transfer any case or appeal or other proceedings from High Court or other civil court in one state to a High Court or other civil court in any other state. Transfer petition, usually it may be exercised by the Supreme Court if it is satisfied that an order under this section is expedient for the ends of justice. Hence, wide powers are given to the Supreme Court to order a transfer if it feels that the ends of justice so require. So, what is the purpose of divorce transfer petition in Supreme Court? Generally, in Supreme Court, divorce transfer petition are filed, and it is filed by wife when husband files the petition in matrimonial home and wife is residing at the parental home at some other state. As a matter of fact, the husband cannot be always made to suffer, and there are judgments passed by the Supreme Court wherein he can counter the allegations made by the wife and protect himself from being further harassed. If the wife claims to have a minor child, then grandparents can be asked to look after the child, and merely on this ground, the petition should not be transferred. Criminal transfer petition. If we talk about the criminal transfer petition, it is mentioned under section 406 of the CRPC, that is Criminal Procedure Code, which gives the Supreme Court the power to transfer criminal cases or criminal appeals pending in one high court to another high court, or from a criminal court subordinate to one high court. If Supreme Court feels like the jurisdiction of the high court is not necessary, in that case Supreme Court has the power to transfer the petition from one high court to another high court of the state. So the Supreme Court can act under the section only on the application of the Attorney General or a party interested. Wherein an application under 406 is dismissed, the Supreme Court may, if it is of opinion that the application was frivolous, the applicant to pay by way of compensation to the respondent such sum not exceeding rupees 1000.